Masked gunman issues chilling death threats against Prime Minister Andrew Holness and wife in viral video after Clarendon massacre. Watch as a masked gunman threatens Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his wife after the Clarendon massacre. Uncover the chilling details and reactions. In a deeply disturbing turn of events, a viral video has surfaced online showing a masked man making chilling death threats against Jamaica's Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, and his wife. This alarming video comes on the heels of a devastating mass shooting in Clarendon that left the nation in shock. The attack saw 17 people shot, with 9 tragically losing their lives. As the country reels from the violence, this new threat has only added to the growing unease and tension. The video, which has rapidly spread across social media platforms, shows a man with his face obscured, boldly declaring that mass shootings in Jamaica will not cease. He chillingly states that he plans to target Prime Minister Holness and his wife next. This comes after the Prime Minister issued a strong statement condemning the Clarendon massacre, vowing that justice will be served and the perpetrators will be brought to account swiftly. Prime Minister Holness, who has been vocal about his commitment to cracking down on violent crime, responded to the massacre with a promise to leave no stone unturned in the pursuit of justice. His words, intended to reassure a grieving and fearful nation, have instead provoked a direct and personal threat from this unknown individual. The government has not yet officially commented on the latest threats, but sources indicate that security measures around the Prime Minister and his family have been significantly tightened. Meanwhile, the Jamaican public has been left to grapple with the implications of such brazen threats against their leader. Many are calling for swift action to identify and apprehend the individual behind the video, emphasizing the need for stronger measures to combat the rising tide of violence in the country. As the investigation into the Clarendon massacre continues, authorities are now also tasked with locating the person behind this video. The potential for further violence has left many on edge, and the international community is closely watching how Jamaica will handle this dire situation. The video has sparked widespread condemnation, with citizens and officials alike calling for unity in the face of such threats. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for continuous updates on this developing story and more as we follow the latest in this shocking series of events. As always, we thank you for choosing us as your trusted news source.